welcome back to my channel. It's Style the Body. Hope everybody's doing good. So today I have a new video for you guys. This video is a little different, but I've actually been like wanting to make this video. Okay, so by the title you can tell that this video is about money. This video is my first YouTube check. Okay, I've been like keeping track. I wrote some things down so that I don't forget, because again, I want to be able to help somebody. You know, I'm not doing this video for any other reason but to, you know, help somebody that's trying to start a YouTube channel, that wants to start a YouTube channel. I'm gonna tell you some of the things that you need to know, because I didn't know a lot. Like, I learned a lot of things along the way. These are the types of videos that I found really helpful, but some of them didn't have like a really in-depth, you know, information on how to go about it, what to do and stuff like that. So I'm gonna share with you guys my personal journey and try to go, you know, a little more in depth. So yeah, before we get into this video, if you are new here, welcome to my channel. I hope you like this video. I hope you are going to stay. Make sure you click on the subscribe button. Make sure you click on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will get the notification. If you are already a subscriber, thank you so much for tuning back in. I'm so grateful to you guys, because honestly, I will not be here if it wasn't for you guys, or I wouldn't be doing this video, as a matter of fact, if not for you guys. I actually signed up for YouTube maybe like 2015 or something. I don't remember, but this is the year I've been really very consistent. And let me tell you, like, if this is something you want to do, you really have to put in the work. Like, you really have to be like consistent, because that was an issue with me. Like, even when I started, I wasn't consistent. Like, I'll post a video here and like a whole year later and I'll post another video. So yeah, you have to be really consistent. You have to put in the work, and I promise you, once you put in the work, once you're being consistent with it, trust me. I personally, like, when I'm looking for anything, I go on YouTube. People always want information. They want to learn stuff. They want to, you know, see. So if this is something that you want to do, trust me, just start. And trust me, you don't need like a whole studio. You don't need like equipment, everything. To this day, I still film with my phone, because my camera, I still don't get it. I'm still learning. Just your phone, you could start. Like, it doesn't have to be any fancy thing. Gradually, you will get there. You know what I'm saying? So I want to encourage somebody, like, if this is something you want to do, part-time, full-time, just start. You can start little, and little by little, you're going to get there. Because honestly, early this year, I had like 200 subscribers. Now, this is August, I'm close to 10K subscribers, you know? So it's all about being consistent, putting in the work. And honestly, if it's something you're passionate about, I'm not saying, you know, do it just because of the money. If you're not passionate about it, or if you don't have like, I believe everybody has a talent. So if you have something that you want to share with the world, you want to teach, you want to, anything, you know, just put your heart in it, go for it. Like, go for it. I'm all about, you know, winning. Like, I want everybody to win. I want people to win. I want women to win, especially. You know what I'm saying? So just go for it. Trust me. Okay, so I'm talking too much. Let me get right into it. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you guys what you need to get monetized on YouTube. Okay, so first of all, you need to have 1,000 subscribers. Another thing is, you can make the threshold. Let's say you get the 1,000 subscribers check, you get the 4,000 watch hours check. Now you're gonna start getting paid, or you're gonna start, your money is gonna start accumulating. Also, that you have to make sure that you have turned on your monetization on each video. So you turn on the monetization, and then the money starts adding up. I'm gonna, you know, leave videos, show you guys the gradual process that it took me. I think I got the Google AdSense paper in, I think I got it in June. And then from then, you know, the monetization process began. So another thing is, in order for YouTube to pay you, you have to meet the threshold of $100 for each month. So once you meet the $100 for each month, then they're gonna pay you. So for the month of June, I made $70. I did not meet the threshold. So the next month, which is July, I made $245 for the month of July, okay? So I didn't get paid for the month of June. So at the end of July, I didn't get paid for June. Because that's how they do it. At the end of July, you get paid for June. And then they pay you on the 21st of every month, okay? So the $245 that I made for July and the $70 that I made for June, when I started getting monetized, they add that up to make $315. Okay, so my first YouTube check or my first YouTube pay, which I have direct deposit, was $315. So they added the month of June to the month of July, and then I got that on the 21st of August. So for the month of August, I won't get that. Whatever I accumulated up until now, I won't get that until the 21st of September. That's how it works. A lot of these videos do not tell you this. Another thing I'm gonna put in is you have to watch the kind of content that you put out there, because some of your videos will not get monetized. If you use too many curse words, it's not appropriate, because the thing is, how they pay you is if they're able to put ads on your video, okay? If they cannot put ads on your video, that video will not get monetized. That's one thing I didn't know also. If you have a video that's copyrighted, ads revenue is gonna go to the copyrighted content, the owner of that copyright. So that's another thing. If you wanna start YouTube, make sure you're not using anybody's music, anybody's content. You have to make sure you find the right music or the right stuff to use. If you go and you use somebody's content or somebody's music and your video gets 1 million views or so many views, so many watch hours, you will not get paid for that. Another thing is, if you are showing too much skin, yeah, I have a few videos that did not get monetized because of the content. Like, they're so big on that. Like, you have to make sure, and I understand, like, the video has to be appropriate for them to be able to put ads on them. You know what I'm saying? Because there's so many people on YouTube, it's kids, it's, everything. So you have to make sure that the content is good enough for them to be able to advertise on, okay? So that's a tip I'm gonna give you guys. Make sure that the video is good, is good to be able to monetize, so that when you get into that monetization stage, all your videos will be monetized, okay? And you wouldn't lose any revenue. Because I have some videos that are not really appropriate, they didn't make the cut, but that's okay. You can also make YouTube premium revenue. That's if your subscribers hit 30K. Somebody's watching your video and they have a YouTube premium. The premium is when they pay monthly, to be subscribed or to be able to watch YouTube. You do make a little bit of money. It's not much, trust me, it's nothing. But, it adds up, so that's good. Also, another thing is, the watch time hours have to be within an annual, like a 12-month time. Okay, so I'm gonna get into specifics. I have a video that I uploaded a year ago. I'm gonna show you guys. So that particular video alone is like my highest viewed video. It has, right now, I think it has 550K views. So that video did really good, and I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna show you guys the background or the YouTube studio of that particular video. You guys could see how much alone that video made me for the month of July. Like, I got a lot of views for just that month, and it's within that annual range, even though I uploaded it a year ago. Within this little time frame, it was able to go from maybe like 10K views to like 550 views. Okay guys, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys actually learned something from this video. If this is like something that you're looking for, I hope you got your answers. And if you have any questions, leave it down below. I am more than happy to answer your questions. If I left anything out, let me know. If you're not subscribed to this channel, make sure you do so. I'm gonna have a lot more of this type of content also. Like, I'm learning a lot, and I'm gonna, give you guys some of the information that I learned on my own journey along the way. And one last thing is, I just want to say thank you to everybody that watches my video, that follows me. I'm so grateful. You guys do not understand. Thank you guys so much. Like, you guys are really family to me. I see all your feedback, and I'm gonna be in the comments. I want to interact with people. I want to interact with you guys. If you have a page, leave it down below. I'm gonna push it, I'm gonna promote it. Let's connect, okay? Like, help me, let me help you, okay? I am more than willing. That's it, guys. I hope you guys have a great weekend.